welcome to Ash Adventures. I am back with another video today. I'm just sitting in the car doing this video. I would have filmed it outside, but people are on the front porch looking at me. No, they're not looking at me, but you know. Rather just do it in here. Don't know how loud the air is and how much you can hear it, but it's hot. So, today I'm going to be doing a video about a New Jersey Supreme Court appointment. I do believe it's a Supreme Court appointment. I don't know why I didn't write that part down. But it will be the first woman of color appointed to this position. And Governor Phil Murphy of New Jersey appointed her. And she is Haitian, and her name is Fabiana Pierre-Louis. And I decided to do a video on this just because I did see like the article and stuff on Twitter, and then I saw you know, just some Republicans or just some people that's just like, why does her race matter? Why does her race matter? What about her qualifications? And you know, I'm telling this person why it does matter that somebody of color is in this position or is appointed to this position. And they're like, well, you know, why does her color matter? You want children who are, you want children of color to see somebody in position who may not even be qualified for that position? Because basically they just think that, you know, she's a prop. You know, they just appointed her because, just to appoint her because of her skin color, to make them look good, to make, you know, like, oh look, New Jersey has people of color on their Supreme Court and other positions of power, so they must be good. But you know, she's not a prop. Of course she has qualifications. I feel like when you are a person of color, you have to have more qualifications to get certain things, because you know, people of color and black people, they'll get overlooked for they'll get overlooked. They'll have qualifications and they'll get overlooked by someone who has less qualifications, but they're white. And so that's the issue, you know? You can't overlook that. So, you know, I have written down stuff from the website that I read the article from, because they do have a list of her qualifications that people claim that they didn't see her qualifications. And they just said, oh, there's the article just talking about her skin color. But I did find another article that listed all of her qualifications and why she should be in that position. So, first, we need more black people in positions of power. You know, we just need more diversity. Diversity is great. I live in a diverse community. I think it's great. We just need more of that, and it'll help, you know, a company out. It'll help the public system out. It'll help the political system out. It'll help everything, you know, having a diverse set of workers and people. They bring different things to the table. So what I was arguing in my tweet was, you know, people need to see people that look like themselves in those positions, especially young kids. They don't see that a lot, you know, just like in the movies. And we had the first Black princess or stuff like that, you know. There's more princesses and other things of other cultures that we see that are mainly white, but it's not black, or it doesn't look like everybody that is watching it. And so having more representation of different different cultures and different races and skin tones will just, you know, make the world a nice, better place, because more people will see themselves in them, and it will inspire them more. Alright, so let's get into her qualifications. People are saying, is she really qualified for this position? Is she actually qualified for this position? You know, they're just using her as a prop, right? They're just using her as a prop. Another thing that I want to just note before I get into her qualifications, if she does get, you know, she has to go through the hearings and everything before she's actually confirmed to this seat, but she will be the first black woman, the first woman of color in that position, and it will take New Jersey off the list of 33 other states that does not have a person of color or a black person on their Supreme Court. It'll take New Jersey off the list. There's 33 states that doesn't have people, that doesn't have a diverse system. 33 other states. How is that not an issue? And people are talking about her qualifications. Obviously, people have been overlooked and they've been qualified. So, let's see. Is she qualified? Is she qualified? So, I got this from NewJersey.com. And I did quote a lot of it, mostly just because the wording makes sense. So, her experience and her qualifications are, she has a bachelor's degree from Rutgers University and law degree from Rutgers Law School. She has worked 9 years. She's been working 9 years for the U.S. Attorney's Office in New Jersey, first as an assistant U.S. attorney and then as a head of the office's Camden branch. She was the first woman of color to hold that post. She worked as head of the Trenton branch. There she helped create the Trenton Reentry Court, which assisted federal offenders reentering. Okay, let me start that over. So she worked as the head of the Trenton branch. Well, there she helped create the Trenton Reentry Court, which assisted federal offenders assisted federal offenders recently released from jail re-enter society. I cannot read my own handwriting between recently and re-enter. Anyways, next, as a federal prosecutor, she also oversaw cases dealing with public corruption, defense contracting fraud, and national security, narcotics offenses, child sexual exploitation, and allegations of racial bias by law enforcement, Governor Murphy said. And she's currently a partner at Montgomery, McCracken, Walker, and Rhodes in Cherry Hill. So she has a list of qualifications. She has 2 degrees, a bachelor's degree and a law degree from Rutgers. So you just need to do more research and find the right articles that, of course, will share her qualifications and stuff, but you know, people saying, like, why does her skin tone matter? Why does her skin matter? Why does her skin color matter? Why does her skin tone matter? It matters. It matters because there's 33 states where apparently it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We've been overlooked for so long. Saying race doesn't matter and color doesn't matter, there should be more people in positions of power then. There should be more people of color in positions of power. There should be more black people in positions of power if color does not matter, if race does not matter. It matters. I mean, look at what's going on right now. Look at what's going on right now. It matters. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's kind of short, but, I could turn the music on in the car, but I'm going to get copyrighted if I do. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hoped you learned something. Maybe I just, threw up a bunch of words and I didn't make any sense at all. But, I just wanted to go over that and just say it matters. Having black people in positions of power matters so much. We need that representation. We need the diversity. We should not just be putting in the first woman of color or black woman into a position. She shouldn't, like this. I mean, it's great that she's the first one appointed, but still having 33 states that's, still doesn't have any black person in their Supreme Court system like that. It's just, we should be further than where we are right now. So it matters. Don't listen to people who say it doesn't, because it matters. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.